I call it the subconscious because I didn't know what else to call it. If you want to define it, you may say it's the oversoul, the higher self, the higher consciousness. It is so big and so huge, it has the answers to everything. It has total knowledge. It is so full of love. It's so big, but yet it cares about each and every person. It's beautiful to work with. And this is where the healings come from. And people say, well, maybe you're speaking to their guides and guardian angels. No. The guides and the guardian angels have a purpose, but they're down here. You can get information from them, but not this kind of information. And they say, maybe you're speaking to the ascended masters. That's not what it is either, because I've been told the ascended masters are just like you. They're beings, they're people. They're the ones who have